Hello everyone. Today we need to spend a bit of time talking about this never-ending flower. Now I made a tutorial about this one. It's at number 9 and I actually did 7 rounds. Now my round number 6 and my round number 7 was incorrect because the pattern says that each round will have 12 petals. So my round 6 and my round 7 had 14 petals. So I had done an error in some way. So let me talk you through the reason why things happen with this pattern. Let's talk about the mechanics of this pattern. Each round has 2 rounds per round, okay? We've got the double crochets and then the petals work in the front loop of your double crochet below. Then the next double crochet round works in the back loop of the double crochet around, and so on. Okay, so you're working petals in the front loop, double crochets in the back loop. Now turning this over, and it's like any circle that we make in crochet. Our first double crochets are just singles, so it's 12 single double crochets. The next round, round 2, we do 2 double crochets into each stitch, taking that up to 24. So we're going to increase by 12 every round. The third round will be 36 stitches, so you'll have 2 double crochets in one stitch, then the next one will be a single. 2 double crochets in one, the next one will be a single. Round number 1, 2, 3 and 4, you'll have 48 stitches. So you'll have 2 double crochets in one, and then you'll have 1 and 2 double crochets that are single. So 2 double crochets in one stitch, 1 and 2 double crochets that are in a stitch of their own. Okay, you're going 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. In the next round, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you will be increasing to 60 stitches. So you're going to have 2 double crochets in one stitch, then you're going to have 1, 2 and 3 single double crochets. 2 double crochets in one, and then it's 1, 2 and 3 single crochets in each stitch. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, and so on. Now round number 6, we are going to have 72 stitches, so always adding 12 stitches per round. This time we're doing 2 stitches in one double crochet, and then we should have 4 single ones, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's correct. 2 double crochets in one, 1, 2, 3 and 4 single ones after that. Then when we get round to the end of this one, we go to round number 8. We're going to need 96 stitches. So I'll be working that around here on the back loop only. So for that one, you will have 2 double crochets in one stitch, and then you'll have 6 single double crochets. All right, does that make sense? So you're increasing all the time. You've increased none on the first one, then you've doubled them on the second. On the third, you've added 1 single double crochet to the mix of those double crochets. The next one you've added 2 double crochets. The next one you've added 3 double crochets in between the doubles. The next one you've added 4 double crochets in between the doubles. So the next one you'll add 5 double crochets in between the doubles, and the next one for round number 9 you'll be adding 6, and then it goes on and on and on. So what happens is we keep our 12 petals, but the petals themselves just get wider and wider each time. So after round 5, what we're up to here is a slip stitch in one, then you'll do a chain 3 and a double crochet in that same stitch. Then you've got 2 trebles in one stitch, 2 trebles in one stitch, 2 trebles in one stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 3 and a slip stitch in the same. So we're using 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of those stitches. So the next round we have increased our double crochets from behind, so we're going to add an extra 2 trebles, but they're only going to take up one space. Okay, so we will continue having 12 petals, it will just be 2 trebles wider. So let's go and get into a little bit of this. I've just counted this round and we have 72 stitches, and that is correct. So this time when we do the petals, we need to increase by 1. So here we've got chain 3, double crochet in the 1, 2 treble, 2 treble, 2 treble, double crochet, chain 3 in the 1. So for the next petal, I'm going to add 4 2 trebles. So for round number 6, we've got the 72 stitches and we're all right to go. Let's do a slip stitch and we're going to get ready to make our petals. We need to work into the front loops of these stitches when we're doing the petals. So for this first one, I'm going to do chain 3 and a double crochet in that same space. That's not in the first loop only. It was a little bit too difficult. So from now on though, we work into the front loop of the stitch below, doing 2 trebles in each stitch. Okay, that's 1, 2 trebles in each. I really should have used a smaller hook for this. My loops are very gapey. 2 and 3. In fact, I might have to pull this undone and do it all again. That's another lesson learned. Where are we at? We've got 1, 2 and 3. So now we want 4 lots of 2 trebles. That's 4. Now we're going to do a double crochet into the front loop, chain 3 into that front loop and do a slip stitch. So there's our new petal, which is wider than the one before. Now we do the same thing again. We're going to slip stitch into the next double crochet, front loop only, chain 3 and do a double crochet also in that same space. Now we're going to go along and do 4 lots of 2 trebles. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many have we got here now? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we do the double crochet in the next stitch in the front loop, chain 3 and pop in that same stitch for a slip stitch. Now we're going to pick up the next stitch, front loop only, do a slip stitch and chain 3 and pop a double crochet into that stitch. Now we're going to do 4 lots of 2 trebles. That's 1 and 4. Now we'll do a double crochet to the next stitch, chain 3 and slip stitch. And there we have our wider petals. But when you're finished, there should only be 12. Now this is going to be the same for the next round. Let me show you what will happen for round number 7, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, round number 7. So you'll finish your petals and you'll come to wanting to make your double crochets. You will do 2 double crochets to start, 1 space. Then you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single double crochets. 2 double crochets, then 5. 2 double crochets, then 5. And so on and so on. So the next round will have 2 double crochets and 6 in between. The round after that will have 2 double crochets and 7 in between. So with each round that you're increasing, you're also adding extra triples to the petal. So then we always have 12 petals. They are just wider than the ones that came before them. I really hope this has explained it much better to you than I did before. Okay, I can see myself undoing this one because I really wanted to pop it on a hoop, but with me choosing the drapiness, it's too floppy and I don't want to glue it or starch it. Maybe I'll pop it on a cushion cover. That would look nice too. So I hope that'll be really helpful for you. Of course, sing out again if you have any issues and we will solve it together. So happy crocheting until then. Bye for now.